Hey everyone, Casey Dimon here. We're talking about tax sales in the state of West Virginia. Now, West Virginia sells both tax liens and tax deeds. To be clear, a tax lien is a priority lien against a parcel of real estate that is sold for failure of the property owner to pay their taxes timely. Whereas a tax deed is the actual sale of a piece of property for the same reason, because the taxes aren't paid. In West Virginia, both tax liens and tax deeds are offered. So here's how it works in the state of West Virginia. The tax lien sales are held between October 17th and November 24th each year. And these are held at the county level by the county treasurer's office. At these auctions, the liens are sold with an opening bid beginning on the amount of delinquent taxes, interest, and fees that are owed on that specific property. Now, West Virginia does use a premium bid system. This means that you will generally be paying more than the face value of that lien in order to become the purchaser. For example, a lien's face value might be $100, but you might end up paying $120, which would represent a $20 overbid or premium. Now, there is a roughly 18-month right of redemption period for these liens. If the liens are redeemed during this time, the investor will receive their initial investment back, including the overbid amount, plus 1% per month interest, which is on the face value of that certificate only. Again, the overbid is returned, but it does not earn interest. Now, in the event that the property is not redeemed during this period, the lien holder must apply for a tax deed prior to the end of 18 months from the sale. This is a tight deadline and is something that needs to be monitored closely. If a tax lien is not sold at the tax lien auction, the tax deed process then comes into play. These unsold liens are certified to the state, who they hold them for 18 months. At the end of this 18-month period, the properties are then sold at a tax deed auction. These auctions are held by the state land commissioner, and mail-in bids may be accepted depending on how they work their auctions. These properties are going to be sold throughout the year. It's important to note that there are specific procedures that are beyond the scope of this video that must be followed after the auction or after the sealed bid process has concluded, or the investor risks losing their money. For more information on tax deed sales in West Virginia, you can visit the state auditor's website at www.wvsao.org. To learn more about West Virginia tax sale laws, go on over to Google and search West Virginia Code 11A, Article 3. I really hope you've enjoyed this video learning about tax sale laws in the state of West Virginia. To learn about other states, go on over to taxsaleacademy.com and click on State Guide. Take care, folks. Bye-bye.